Hi everybody, Jean here with a couple of Mars anomalies for you. Let's go right in. This one could take a while. I'll keep it as brief as possible. Go down in my blog. It's the second entry over there. This is it. Looks very similar to another one posted some time ago, another discovery. What looks like a crashed disk, an impact site. Looks like the craft was salvaged, repaired, or left on its own, but clearly you can see that the craft came in at a very low angle and stopped very quickly right there. And some of the crater anomalies, there looks like a tube, some type of tube right there in the crater. Another one I call space junk. The crater's full of this. It looks like space junk to me. Then this, I'm not sure what that is. That could be, I don't know, some type of debris maybe. This one, I don't know what to make of this. That looks very strange as well. I'll zoom in on all these in the image. This one, wow, very, very anomalous. Another type of hangar, like the one in my previous video. Couple of more hangars. There's what looks like a craft. This could even be another crashed craft. Going to that one just now. And then this, more debris, more space junk. I'm not sure what that is either. Alright, let's hop in right there. That's the link to the NASA page. Let's hop in there. This is located 38 north, 302 west. You can use those coordinates in Google Earth Mars. Okay, let's delve into the context camera, CTX camera on the MRO. And we'll start right here at the top and work our way through. There are just so many anomalies to cover right here. Alright, sorry if I'm making you guys nauseous. These interesting craters. There's the one that looks like a piece of space junk, debris lying in it, maybe from a crashed craft, maybe from the war that decimated the planet, possibly from those two nuclear explosions, or the exploding planet theory. Guys theorized there was a planet between Mars and Jupiter. It was a massive war on the planet, and it exploded somehow, and it wiped the one side of Mars clean, and the planet tilted 90 degrees. That's why the top is smooth and the bottom hemisphere is rough. That's a theory. Some of the theories out there. Guys, this image is loading very, very slowly. Let me just go out. Sometimes it helps if I just restart it. Alright, sorry about that. Zoom in right there onto that thing. There we go. Now it's loaded a lot quicker. Some space debris. Who knows? Let's go across. Check out this as well. Very weird. Look at these. Those look like discs, not a pile of rocks or a typical asteroid impacting the crater there. There's another disk, seems to be slightly embedded, shadow underneath. Look at that. Same there. Anyway, those aren't the actual anomalies we're here for. There's a hangar, well, what I like to call a hangar. Look at that, guys. It could be a natural anomaly, but that looks as if it's higher than this area here. So it could be another type of roof shelter with an entrance there. Don't know, just speculating. Here they are, guys, more. Look at these. Also seem to be entrances. That anomaly I was talking about there could have been a crashed craft. And this is the star attraction right here. Look at that, guys. It looks like an impact site to me. Came in very low angle, stopped right there, and it's gone. Might have been salvaged, repaired and left, but that looks quite strange as well, doesn't it? Alright, zoom out a bit. This is a massive image. Some very interesting anomalies, guys. There's always a section in the image that takes very long to load. There we go. Look at those three craters there. That also looks suspicious. This one here. This could have been a mine, possibly a mine, with the entrance and exit there. Speculation, of course. We're going to get to a massive crater here in a second. Let's see, what do we have here? Guys, look at that. Symmetrical. Some type of symmetrical flange looking thing. Another thing lying in the crater, possibly. When I looked at this, it looked like another self-illuminating sphere inside a dark crater. I encourage you guys to download this image, check it out. Let me know what you think. Okay, now it's glitchy again. Section isn't loading on that side. Nice, what's this? Another strange looking feature there. I don't know what you guys make of that. Some flows, type of a flow inside that crater. I want to keep this brief, but my internet connection doesn't think so. Gremlins at work. The men in black are keeping an eye on my internet traffic, slowing it down, so I can't bring you these anomalies. No, that's not one. Guys, I'm sorry I'm taking so long with this one, but there are so many strewn across this image. I've got to go through it, pan through it like this, get to each and every one. I don't want to miss anything. That could even be an old abandoned mining operation, also like open pit type. Just speculating. Right. Let's go across. I hope I'm not making you nauseous, guys. Motion sickness. I'm holding on to my seat and doing the driving, so I'm not feeling the effect like you might. There we go. There's the other one. Look how bright that is. It's like limestone. Beautiful anomaly. I don't know quite what to make of that. And these strange things lying here. Love to know what that is. Okay, there's a whole section that needs to load, yeah. Let's go across. There we go, it's loading. Just running standard ADSL over copper here where I live. So it's not the fastest, but it gets your job done. This is such an interesting place. If I was an archaeologist, I'd definitely check this out. If there was a ticket to Mars, I'd definitely like to go to this area, amongst others. This also looks like a sort of an impact site. Something came in from that side. Stop right there. Also just pure speculation. Wow, interesting area. There's that other space junk. Look at that anomaly there. Could be a natural formation. Let me know what you guys think these things are. Should be more than halfway through this by now. There's nothing there. Let's look at this too. Could have also been a mining operation of some type. Or an entrance. Not sure. Boy, I'm getting good speeds here tonight. We're getting to a really big crater now. Just look how the details pop through. These CTX images are really worth looking at. As I say, the JPEG 2000s, they're also massive, but they do take a while to download. And with the CTX browser, you can access these areas almost immediately. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Look at these formations. I wonder if it isn't perhaps remains of a city, and those being the foundations. I know, it looks interesting. Wow. Sort of a rectangular structure there. It's also quite odd. There's a lot of these. In some other videos I've done too. A lot of these. Here's another one. Wow. It's almost like a monolith lying there. Very old. Whatever happened to Mars, it was totally devastated, demolished. And that's probably why we see so many craft, what looked like craft, crashed all over the planet's surface. They must have come down, maybe the EMP from the two nuclear blasts. Oh yes, here we go. Look at all this space junk, as I'd like to call it. It's probably not some type of lava flow mineral deposit, but it sure looks interesting. Looks like a heap of junk. Look at that. Incredible. I think we're getting close to the end now. What is this? I just want to check this. Ah, that looks natural. Guys, isn't this interesting, these patterns? Also looks hollow. Just zoom out a bit. Just want to do a quick overview of where we are. I think we're done. Excuse me. We're very close to the bottom now. Just go back, make sure we've covered everything. If you guys discover any other anomalies here, please let me know. Look at this. So it looks very peculiar, doesn't it? Some dunes over there. Yeah, I think we covered it all. Some very strange lines on that thing. Oh, that's just a natural. Maybe all these anomalies are natural, guys. Who knows, eh? Take a look. Please comment below. And also, do please subscribe. I'll try and do a video a day. And soon I'll be hunting for more anomalies. This is the 4th in the series of 18 anomalies that I've discovered. The previous ones I've uploaded were in PowerPoint presentation format, which you guys have seen. Let's just do a quick reload. Get that bottom part loaded quickly. Sorry guys. Some really odd looking formations here. And that's it. Off the top of my head, I think we've covered them all. Let's quickly hop back to the blog. Quickly review the anomalies. So, yeah, it looks like we covered them all. But this looks very, very much like an impact site. This came in there and stopped and was removed somehow. It looks very similar to another one. I want to show you guys quickly. See if that's it. There we go. This is the other one that also shows something similar. I'm not sure who discovered this one, but also a very, very intriguing image there. That's where the impact site is. Massive area. You guys can go in. I'll post all the links to the material in the description below. Please be sure to check those out, and by all means let me know what you think, guys. This is going to get very interesting. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun presenting it to you. Have a good one. Speak to you soon when I bring you another anomaly. Ciao for now. See you.